Hi, my name is Carol, and I want to help you to know a little bit more about tea burn and help you to make a better decision. I'll leave the link to the product page in the video description in case you want to buy it, or know more about it. Tea burn is an only natural proprietary formula that when combined with tea, can increase the speed and efficiency of metabolism. You can use your favorite tea with an instantly dissolvable, tasteless packet of tea burn. Doing that will transform your favorite tea into an absolute super tea. This way to use make the tea burn easier to prepare. This super tea can deliver you a much healthier, more beneficial, and more rewarding experience that you can look forward to enjoying just that much more every day. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive the notification every time we have a new video. The tea burn allows you to know what it feels like to have both parts of your metabolism working in overdrive for you, instead of against you, and this is a big challenge. It's very simple, easy, and automatic. The tea burn delivers you a powerful and robust combination of immune-boosting vitamins to help keep you strong, energized, and healthy. Some important information about tea burn I'll list for you. It is 100% all natural. Is vegetarian, non-GMO, and gluten-free. There are no preservatives, no artificial colors, or stimulants. You will feel zero side effects. If you want to know more about tea burn, remember to click the link in the description of the video. Everybody that used tea burn is saying great things about it. Another good thing about is the warranty. Tea burn is backed by a 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee. It is a great chance to get better results with your diet and a good way to avoid some illnesses with a stronger body. Remember that the best results depend on how you use the product. I hope I helped you make the best choice. See you in the next video.